Now let's bring in my colleague Patricia Louie and start off with the Sing dollar, given that the Sing numbers came out this morning. So, Trish, there's been little reaction from the SGD. What's happening there? Why not?
Well, traders are saying that, while the central bank, the MAS, may not seek to weaken the Singapore dollar anymore. I mean, as far as bets for that angle is concerned, they don't really expect that the central bank will be moving towards strengthening the currency anytime soon. They're saying that they need to see, the central bank will probably need to see a much stronger improvement, especially in the external sector, in the export side of things, before they're actually going to weave in that angle of the bets. Furthermore, inflation remains extremely benign, and one of the reasons the central bank here keeps the Singapore dollar strong is to tackle inflation, and there seems to be no signs of that yet. So they're saying that the Singapore dollar will probably end the year pretty much where it is. I just checked on the Bloomberg system, and according to our poll, year-end forecast is still looking at about 1.6, and we're about there right now.
You know what? It's not so bad, because I remember 8 years ago it was at 1.8 against the SGD. So, you know, it could be worse. Now, on to other currencies. Risk appetite. Risk appetite seems to be coming back a fair bit on that Goldman's-led rally on Wall Street. Are traders expecting the risk appetite for high yielders as well as emerging market currencies to continue today?
Well, at least for the time being, yes, very much so. They're expecting that. I mean, I hear that on the streets, in the markets, talking about humongous profits from Goldman Sachs when it reports later tonight. And don't forget, we have JP Morgan as well, and the IBM and Google later this week. So traders are really getting a little bit encouraged, given the talk on the streets at the moment. Risk appetite for all the Asian currencies are much stronger this morning. We see them all up against the board. And also, don't forget, in New Zealand, we have the central bank governor actually saying that New Zealand economy could be leading the developed nations out of the recession. So that's giving the Kiwi a boost as well this morning. Back to you, Has.
Trish Louie, thank you so much.